We've been in partnership with Inmarsat for 25 plus years. It's a relationship first and foremost built on trust. We've made great ground in the aeronautical sector in partnership with Inmarsat because of that. Without that trust, we would not be in the position we are today. We've got today over close to 6,000 aircraft, if I'm not mistaken, on our network in partnership with Inmarsat. Well, Collins Aerospace provides a whole spectrum of value-added services that really do complement Inmarsat nicely. Flight planning, for example, that AirInc Direct was founded really on flight planning back in 2003. From one aircraft to pushing 5,000, I believe now, that use our services for flight planning, flight following, dispatch, weather, the full spectrum of value-added services that commercial airlines and business aviation and government aviation need. Well, mission assurance, tactical operations, that is what we're built on. Our network has to be available 24/7, and has to be protected. Otherwise, the warfighter would never trust our network and our partners' network, Inmarsat in particular. Our networks are secured and monitored 24/7. We've got a 24/7 network operations center in Annapolis, Maryland, that monitors our networks completely, and we have a direct line certainly into Inmarsat if we see any activity that we don't trust. The government's need for throughput changes, seems like every mission. And where they fly changes, obviously, every mission. Tomorrow they may be in the Middle East, the next day the Horn of Africa, the following day somewhere in the Arctic. Having the coverage where it's required, having the throughput where it's required, having that commitment from Inmarsat for our customers, it goes back to the trust I talked about a moment ago, knowing that we can rely on Inmarsat to meet our demands and our customers' demand when it's needed. I retired from an airlift unit 5 years ago or so, and most recently during Hurricane Maria, that organization flew to Puerto Rico. Not knowing the infrastructure in Puerto Rico, I received a call from the wing commander asking what he could expect. Gave him a debrief on what we had. Now, of course, these aircraft are fitted with Inmarsat capable avionics. After he returned from the trip, he called to say services worked perfectly. They were able to get the relief team in and out of the island without trouble, and that's what we do. Is we provide safety of flight services. Trustful, proven, and I'll use the word vigilant. We really look after them, and we work hard for their needs. Well, it's been a very successful ride with Inmarsat for the past 25 years, and I hope our organization is with them for the next 25 plus. It's been successful leaning forward with them as we develop technologies and implement new technologies, and the roadmap is bright, and our partnership is even brighter.